introduce to you the new TS4003 table saw by General International. This portable unit will work well, easily movable with the handles incorporated into the side. You can move it from benchtop to benchtop or site to site. This saw incorporates in the front all the operating controls, including the on-off switch, the blade height adjustment, as well as the cutting angle, and in back they have incorporated a dust collection system. This saw will rip a piece of wood 3 1/4 inches thick. It also has an adjustable table that will allow you to cut a piece of wood 24 inches wide. It's a handy unit that will work well in your application. Thanks for joining us.